Hi, it's Jeff Waite here at stockideas.org, and today I just want to quickly walk you through the Seeking Alpha portfolio. Now, I've used Seeking Alpha for a long time, but I've never used a portfolio feature. If you don't know what this is, when you type in a stock on Seeking Alpha, Apple for instance, you're brought up to the dashboard where you can find all the information about the stock. You can also sign up to get email alerts by clicking here, and then you can add it to one of your portfolios. Now, I haven't actually maintained a portfolio on Seeking Alpha until very recently. So from the home page, what you can do, or from any page, you just click on the portfolio tab here, and you'll see all the stocks that you selected to get your alerts on. And if you want to edit that, you can click on the Edit Portfolio button right here. If you have a fully loaded portfolio, you'll notice that you kind of get a dashboard of all of the stuff that's happening in real time about your stocks. Again, if you just want to edit the portfolio, it's easy. You can just add stocks, type them in, remove them, whatever. That's really, really easy. But back to the main portfolio page, you can see a really cool synopsis of all the news about your stocks. You can see what people on Seeking Alpha are saying about your stocks, and you can see articles on Seeking Alpha that are being posted about your stocks. So this is a really great way to stay current with your investments. Now, you'll notice that there are a number of tabs here across the top of the portfolio section, and you can see the stocks in your portfolio. I've added all these recently, so you'll see that the percentage changes are pretty low, but over time, it keeps track of your profit and loss. As well, you can make alerts, so you can be subscribed to get email news whenever anything happens about any of your stocks. Now, I think the coolest stuff is the information that's available down here. So you can see relative performance of stocks under the Performance tab. You can see how the moving averages are performing, where the stock is relative to its moving averages. And then also some of these short statistics are pretty neat. So you can see that Reggie here has a pretty high short percentage, which might be good for a squeeze, and actually same with Infinera. I didn't know that. This valuation tab I find really, really helpful. You can get all of the fundamental valuation metrics: price to sales, price to book, market cap, different PE ratios, and cash per share, which is something I always find very interesting. You can see I like to buy relatively cash-rich companies. Again, you can just kind of continue down the tab here. The profitability, definitely of interest. I don't love these companies that are losing money, whereas, these ones with a high return on equity looking good. Again, dividends, I really like this debt tab as well. This has some really valuable ratios, especially you can see short-term debt. You can tell that I'm not very comfortable with companies that have a lot of short-term debt. It's something that I like to avoid. Concurrently, kind of along the same lines, the current ratios of my stocks are very high, and the quick ratios are also quite high. Quick ratio is just current ratio minus liabilities, minus inventory. So, yeah, you can see that there's just a ton of information on all your stocks. It's always being updated. Again, finally, the ownership tab is great. You can see in the Seeking Alpha valuation and debt tabs are also really helpful to keep an eye on how your companies are managing themselves. So I hope you found this video useful. If you're looking for more stock ideas and analysis, check out stockideas.org or subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks very much for watching.